Hey everyone, I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello everybody! As you can tell, I have only foundation on today because when I was doing my eyeshadow palette declutter and collection video, if you guys haven't seen that 4-part series, I will leave it all linked down below for you guys to check that out. And I was talking about the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, and I had asked in one of the videos, I think it might have been part 2 maybe, if my memory serves me correctly, I had asked a lot of you if you would like to see a look with this palette, and a lot of you said yes, please. So just to let you guys know, right now BH Cosmetics, I do believe, has a sale on. So you guys could go over there and check that out. And just to let you know that when I first bought this palette with the original price, and then when it's converted into Canadian dollars, then I had to pay $20 customs. It came up to around $56 for this palette. But the quality of this palette is absolutely beautiful. So before I start this look, I'm going to pop up swatches and just talk about the shadows. So as you can tell, the packaging is absolutely stunning. I love this like holographic design. I just love how it's against the flat black, which is so my style. I just really love this packaging, and the quality of the packaging is very beautiful. As for the shadows are absolutely stunning. The matte shadows are beautiful. I'm showing you these swatches right now. This is one finger swatch. They are so pigmented. They're not chalky. They glide on really nice and smooth, which I really like. I love the purple tones. So much pigment in this palette is unbelievable. Then as for the Bake shadows, they are absolutely stunning. So super shiny. As you could tell, like when my ring light hits the lighter shades, it's just like beaming. They are super pigmented as well. They glide onto the eyes very nice. And then we have this highlight shade right here in the center. Now I did swatch it on my arm, but you guys probably can't even see it because I am so pale. But I will have to say, when you pop this highlight shade into the inner corner of your eye and even underneath your brow bone, it just like pops and it brings the whole entire look together. I really do love it. Love this palette. It's just an all-around beautiful palette. And I'm so happy that the Libra shades are really pretty shades, because I don't know what it is, but when I look at calendars or anything that has to do with Libra, it's never a pretty picture. I'm just saying. So I'm really happy that these shades right here are super gorgeous. Let me know down below what is your sign, so that I have you guys now up close and personal. Hello. You knew I was going to say it. So first off, I am going to go in with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eyeshadow Primer. Haven't used this one in a long time. I like to change it up, and when I did use it, it was like a holy grail of holy grail eyeshadow primers for me. Really love this. Very nice to apply to the eyes, and it just holds your eyeshadow in place all day. It does say that it's 24 hours. I've never had my eyeshadow on for 24 hours. Had it on for 10, so it does hold up for 10 hours. As for the 24 hours, I really don't know, but I just like to take this and just blend it all out on my lid. So I'm going to go in with my good old faithful, my MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Aquarius, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. As you can tell, it's like super pigmented, so I just took a little tiny bit on my brush because I don't want to have a whole lot on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Marc Jacobs crease brush, which is an amazing brush, and I'm going to take the shade Virgo, which is this beautiful matte pink. I'm just going to start off with the matte shades first, and I'm going to be applying this right into my crease. Now just to blend the two colors together, I am going to go back in with my MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to take my Sephora Color Switch. Really love this. If you guys don't have it, you definitely need it. It just cleans the shadows off the brush super easy. And I'm just going to blend the two colors together. Now just to darken up the outer corners of my eye, I am going to go in with this purple shade from Leo, which is a matte shade. And I'm just going in with an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to pack that onto the outer corner of my eye. And what I also did, as you could tell, I just worked a little tiny bit of it into my crease. Then I'm just taking my MAC 224 brush again, it's all clean, and I'm just going to blend it all together. Now what I'm going to do is where I left out these areas here, I am going to take the Baked Shadow from Virgo, and it's just this beautiful, gorgeous shade right here, and I'm just going to apply this with my finger. Now I'm going to go in with my Sephora Precision Smudge Brush, and I am going to take the shade Libra, the matte shade, and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash line. So I went ahead off camera and I applied some lashes, which are from Winners, and they're called Whispers, and they're by Pro Beauty. I really don't know how I feel about them. They're okay, I guess, but you know, that was the only lashes I had right now, so to tie in the whole look. Then what I did was I took my Sephora Pro Smudger brush and I just applied the shade Leo, the matte shade, just on top of the matte shade from Libra, just to bring that purple more down into the eye look. Now I'm going to go in with my Sephora Smudger brush, and I am taking the highlight shade, and I'm just going to be popping this into the inner corner of my eye. Just look at this. Like when I swatched it on my hand, you really can't notice it, but when you pop it to the inner corner of your eye, just look at that. It just brings in the light instantly. So here's the finished look. Then I went in with the Too Faced Milk de Matte in Queen Bee. Really love the shade. I just think it pulls the whole entire look together. At first I was going to do like a really nice dark kind of vampy lip color, but I just didn't want to bring too much darkness, let's just say, because where the eyes are so dark and that beautiful smoky color with the purple. So I just feel like this shade of lipstick really goes well with this look. So I really hope that you guys like the look that I created with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. I love this palette. It is so stunning. The quality, the pigmentation, everything about this palette is beautiful. BH Cosmetics do produce a lot of gorgeous palettes, and to me this feels like a super high-end palette just because of the quality of the shadows, how pigmented they are, how well they swatch on the arm, but how they apply to the eyes as well. And when you blend all the shadows together, they don't become muddy. They stay true to the color, which I really, really love. If you guys go ahead and recreate this look with this palette, let me know in the comments down below. And if you do, go ahead and tag me over on Instagram and Nicole Chantel 32. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.